This is going to be a quick unboxing of the TCL 10L. This is part of TCL's new 10 series of phones. The others being the TCL 10 Pro and the 10 5G. Only the 10L and the 10 Pro will be launching. Yeah, the 10 5G is coming to other markets, including the US. So this is the 10L. As you can see, it has a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display, HDR support, 48 megapixel rear facing camera, 16 megapixel front facing camera, 4000 milliamp hour battery, and whatnot. So let's dig inside the box. So here's your manuals and like quick start guide and whatnot. And then here's the phone itself. So you can see that's the front facing camera. On the back you have your 48 megapixel rear main lens, 8 megapixel super wide, 2 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth sensor, rear fingerprint sensor, your volume button, power button, USB-C port on the bottom, headphone jack on top. And compared to the TCL 10 Pro on the left, it's much thicker, even though this one, the 10L, has a smaller battery than the 10 Pro. So else the 10 box, you get a USB-C to Type A cable and a USB wall adapter. So yeah, so it's been a quick unboxing of the new TCL 10L.